Hi everybody and welcome to another weekly update video from myself. Now I know those in the UK probably watching this are saying it's Monday and we're into another week and I've missed the week, but I'm here in Seattle and it's still Sunday, so it's Sunday the 2nd of February, and yeah, it still should be the week that I'm talking about, so I'm hopefully still going to keep that cadence of having a weekly update. So I want to kick off with some Azure news, and one of the things that's happened this week is that Azure Backup released a preview allowing you to exclude disks from your backup. So it's data disks you can exclude from your backup. So at the moment, when you back up a virtual machine in Azure, you back up your OS disk and all your data disks. But the preview service now allows you to exclude some data disks, meaning you can pick the data disks you want to do, the ones that are really important and you do need to back up, and then exclude the ones that you potentially don't want to do. And again, saving yourself some money as well doing that. So to sign up for that preview, you actually have to go on and email the team and ask to be included and have that enabled for your subscription. So in the description below, I will ping a link to that and how you can do that if that's something that you want to do. So beyond that, I have actually been travelling. So I've been on the Microsoft Ignite, the tour stop, and I was in Johannesburg this week, for a few days, and that was really fun. It was my first time in South Africa, first time in Johannesburg, and yeah, it was really good. It was a good 2-day event. I presented 3 sessions. So I presented a small 15-minute theatre session on Windows 2019 and the top 5 features there. And then I had 2 breakout sessions, 2 45-minute sessions talking about hybrid management with Azure and your on-prem environments, and also about migrating your on-prem to the cloud as well. So it was really good. It was good fun to meet everybody and interact with the local audience there and meet some MVPs that were in town as well for the event. I also got the chance to actually meet some of the local team from the subsidiary in South Africa in Johannesburg and interact with some customers as well. So it was really good to get that wide variety and wide mix of the community and our customers, as well as catching up with some of the team. So I was there with a couple of my teammates, and yeah, it was really good fun just to have that time there. But now I'm in Seattle, so I've had a long trip. So I think I had an 11-hour flight from Johannesburg to London, and then I had a couple of hour layover in London, and then I had a 10-hour flight, just over 10 hours, to get to Seattle. So I'm here for a week of training with the team again. So it'll be really good fun to catch up with everybody and get involved and try and do some of the stuff there. So I've actually been out today, so I was going to sit and catch up with some work in the hotel today, but as it was really nice, so it was one of those lovely blue sky sunny days outside in Seattle, and I wanted to go and explore. So I actually went to the Flight Museum, so that was really cool. There's tons to do there, and I actually probably could have spent all day there, but I only spent a couple of hours. I got to go on Concorde and got my photo taken with Concorde. So that's the 3rd Concorde that I've actually seen throughout the world. I've seen the one in Edinburgh in Scotland, I've seen the one in New York twice, and I've seen the one in Seattle. So ticking those off the to-do list and getting those experiences while I can. And like I say, it's a blue skied sunny day out there. It's actually quite reminiscent of being at home. It's one of those days in the sun you could probably go out without a jacket on, and it's lovely and it's quite warm actually, but then when the wind comes in, you definitely need your jacket, your scarf, your hat and your gloves. You definitely need to wrap up, but it's a gorgeous kind of winter day, and we're here on Groundhog Day, and I believe he said that we're going to have a nice spring. I think that's what he said this morning when I tuned in, and it's also Super Bowl Sunday, so I'm actually going to try and catch up with that. I'm not down with what happens in American football. I don't understand a lot of the rules, but my niece is now a supporter of American football, and she's a Kansas City Chiefs fan, so she's kind of got me into a bit of the NFL, and I want to have a wee watch at the Super Bowl, so that's who I'll be cheering. So we'll see what happens and see if she's happy when I go back home or not. But yeah, that's me. I am here till Friday. I go home on Friday morning, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a good week. Looking forward to catching up with people and meeting some people on campus that I've seen. So yeah, hope you've all had a good one, and I will catch you next week. So see you later, bye.